Right, here's what's left of Hertford Street. Sod off bulldozers, look at the mess here. Huge sod off bulldozers. Luxury flats, sod off. Look at this, sunset you can see through there. I couldn't see the sunset through there before. It's a nice sunset, but I don't want to see demolition mess. Sod off bulldozers. This is what is left of the shops and things that were here. Sod off bulldozers. Huge mess up here. Huge, no. Huge mess. Sad. It's what's left of our buildings here. Sod off bulldozers. Oh my god. Seriously. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off luxury flats, sod off greedy corporations,